How to lock your Facebook profile. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Facebook tutorial video. In this video I am going to show how to lock your Facebook profile, and if this video helps you, please share, like and subscribe. Open Facebook in your phone. Click the three lines in your top right corner. Click Settings and Privacy. Click Settings. Click Profile Locking. Click Lock Your Profile. Click OK button. Now your Facebook profile is locked. I hope if this video helps you. If you can get more tech information videos, visit my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.